World Vegan Vision is an important organization that is championing the cause of vegetarianism, and at important occasions like Holi, World Vegan Vision members get together to celebrate, to enjoy, and also to talk about the significance of being vegetarian. Here are some highlights from an event which was organized recently by World Vegan Vision to mark Festival of Holi.
Thank you so much for vegan Holi celebration and wish you a very, very happy Holi. I am Tejal Rawal and I like to introduce our president for 2021, President Mrs. Suman Munjal. She has been active in community service for so many years. She worked as a first lady for few reputed organizations like AIA, like ILA, with her husband, Mr. Govind Munjal, who serves as a president for those organizations. She has been a vegetarian for many years, but she recently turned vegan and has been a vegan for a year now. She sees the benefit of becoming vegan, and now there is no turning back for her. And therefore, she deserves to be a president for our World Vegan Vision. I would like to present our hardworking president, Mrs. Suman Munjal ji. Suman ji, for you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Can you all hear me now?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, we hear you.
Okay, great. Okay, so I'm going to start the program. Respected founders, HKG and Malti Vice Chairwoman Chandraji and KKG, and all the executive committee members and the invited guests. As the president of the World Vegan Vision New York chapter, I would like to welcome you all at this auspicious occasion of Holi Festival. World Vegan Vision is a 28-year-old organization with a mission to promote vegetarianism and healthy vegan lifestyle. I would like to recognize all our past presidents, Mr. Animesh Goenka, Mr. Naveen Shah, Chandraji Mehta, Ms. Beena Sabapati, and Mr. Sunil Modi. I would also like to recognize our Board of Trustees, Mr. Kenny Desai and Mr. KK Mehta. Board of Directors, Ms. Neetu Jindal, Mr. Avinash Kachi, Ms. Devashri Parekh, Mr. Vinod Shah, and Mr. Nitin Vyas. All of them have done a wonderful job in promoting the mission of vegetarianism, veganism, and compassion for the animals. I became vegan last year to control my diabetes. I very quickly saw the advantages of becoming vegan and very soon lost 15 pounds of weight. My sugar started to come down and I reduced my medicine for diabetes. Since the vegan diet also reverses heart condition and other serious diseases, I would encourage everybody to become vegan and reap this benefit. During my presidency in 2021, I would like to lay down the following agenda to achieve this goal. First, we will organize seminars and renowned speakers to communicate the advantages of becoming vegan at a young age and to promote veganism among the members. Then we will organize a membership drive for the youths and try to get them involved. Once a month, we will have a health or an informative seminar for the benefit of the members and the community at large. We will organize cooking demonstrations and provide recipes to make tasty vegan food at home. We will try to form a committee to work on the charitable work of providing food for the needy people. Celebrations of the main festivals of India like Holi and Diwali on Zoom or if possible in person later in the year, if and when it is all clear from the COVID situation. We will try to organize picnic where we will provide a variety of vegan food. We will organize Thanksgiving dinner and with some notable speaker. With the cooperation and teamwork of all the executive committee members, past presidents, board members, board of trustees, and founders, we have to have a very successful 2021. Now, I would request all the participants today to join in our World Vegan Vision organization and become members, and preferably become vegan to get health benefits. And now I would like to introduce my committee. Before that, I would like to recognize.
Hello, 1 minute. Sumanji, we have to be forgot our vegetarian vision, the presentation. We have to
Yeah,
start.
we have to do that first.
Yeah, please.
We have to do that.
Yeah, sorry, Divesh bhai, can you please start our गोविंद जी, इसके बाद अभी बर्थडे का आएगा, फिर कमिटी आएगी. हाँ. सुमन जी, आप बोलना जब आपको लाते हैं कि HK we are
Hello?
HK.
Hello? Can everybody hear me? Hello?
yeah, Suman ji, okay.
Okay. All right. Now I would like to announce and recognize Mr. Kekiji. Hello. Sorry about that because we were talking to them to come on the Zoom. Okay, HKG, we have a surprise for you now. And please start the music.
Divya's bhai.
HKG.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Volume.
We have a surprise for you.
Surprise for you.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Oh, thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy 90th birthday to you.
हर दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए हर दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तुझे ये हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू
Please blow the candle.
Thank you.
Blow the candle.
HKG, can you blow the candle? Can you blow the candle, HKG? HKG, blow the candle.
Blow the candle.
Candle.
Daddy, blow the candle.
Blow the candle.
We did it.
Hello.
Okay.
Now I would like to invite Rekha ji. Please
Congratulations. Sorry.
Please congratulate him.
Very nice.
She's on mute. Please unmute Rekha ji.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Good evening. Namaste. Cape Show. Khamma Ghani, Sat Sri Akal, and happy Holi to all. First of all, I want to thank you, Suman Munjal ji. She gave me this opportunity to say or sing something for Mr. H.K. Shah on his 90th birthday. So, thank you all. And कहते हैं निकलता है सूरज पूरब की ओर से निकलता है सूरज पूरब की ओर से H.K. शाह साहब को आने वाला 90th बर्थडे मुबारक हो हम सब की ओर से आने वाला 90th बर्थडे मुबारक हो हम सब की ओर से किसी गाने पर ये बर्थडे सॉन्ग बनाया है कोई गलती हो तो क्षमा करना ये 4 लेडीज का नाम जिसका मैंने डाला है वो फ्लायर से मैंने लिया है तो कहते हैं आपको सब दे रहे हैं दुआएं आपको सब दे रहे हैं दुआएं हर्ष जी हरदम आप खुशियां मनाए आपको सब दे रहे दुआएं ये स्पेशल जन्मदिन पे आया ये स्पेशल जन्मदिन है आया मालती बहन ने खुशियों से सजाया चंद्रा मेहता ने जश्न मनाया सुमन सुहाग भी विशेष है लाए आपको सब दे रहे हैं दुआएं ज़ूम पे होली के मूड में सब आए प्यार के रंगों से बर्थडे मनाए सारे फ्रेंड्स भी रौनक लगाए वर्ल्ड वीगन विजन को बढ़ाए इसे और आगे ले जाए आपको सब दे रहे हैं दुआएं शाह सब हरदम आप खुशियां मनाए आपको सब दे रहे हैं दुआएं और दौला ने कहते हैं आओ प्यार के रंगों से भरो पिचकारी आओ प्यार के रंगों से भरो पिचकारी और स्नेह से रंग दो दुनिया सारी स्नेह से रंग दो दुनिया सारी थैंक यू एंड गॉड
Welcome to all my committee members, old faces and new faces. This is the 29th year of our organization. Things have changed. I have been sending you several emails to you people. One of the most important is this. Last week I sent that in Beirut, Lebanon, the whole hospital is going to serve only vegan food and nothing else, all department of the hospital. In Dubai, there are 5 vegan restaurants. One of the king of Saudi Arabia opening 7 vegan restaurants. So you can see the change in the Muslim world. Everywhere changing are there. In Europe, lot of vegan restaurants are there, lot of movements are there. In India, our own country, lot of activities are going on. We have our own 2 branches and we are going to open more. I wish Sumanji success for this year and coming year. And with all your cooperation, she will get benefit of this organization. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.